Welcome to Foodastic. Today we are going to see how to make club sandwich. Take a paneer slice and grill it in the griddle or in dosa pan. Now heat dosa pan. Pour 1 teaspoon of oil, break the egg and pour it in dosa pan. Sprinkle some pepper powder and salt. After few seconds flip it and cook few seconds. Take toasted bread slices, place the paneer over this. Sprinkle some pepper and salt. Place 2 tomato slices, 2 onion slices, capsicum strips. Now place the toasted bread slice over this. After that place a plain egg omelette, add some cabbage strips, tomato slices, sprinkle some coriander leaves, place another bread slice over this. Now pierce the bread with the cocktail sticks, cut it diagonally. Now the club sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.